Okay, I am going to now show you how to take pictures out of your digital camera, and we're going to correct them and do some stuff with them in Photoshop. But first I need to show you how we use the digital camera and avoid having to keep all those cables and stuff around. Every digital camera has a chip in it, and what we're going to do is we're going to remove that chip. Here's the side panel right here. And you get the chip out by just pressing in on it, and it'll sort of pop out a little bit, and then you pull it out. And on this little chip is where all of the pictures are. This is where all the pictures are. This is basically the film right here. And this is another type of digital camera. This is the one we have in the lab. And in order to get the pictures out of this one, you just come here on the side with the strap and flip this little panel open right there. And there's the chip. And you would just press it a little bit and pull that chip out right there. There's the chip that was in the scroll camera. Okay. Now, on the back of this computer is one of these, and this is a USB multi-port because the Macintosh only has 2 ports in the back and they're all taken up. So you plug this into one of them and it gives you 4 more ports that you can plug more USB stuff into. Okay, and there's a lot of USB stuff that we use now. And this right here is a chip reader, and get these pretty much anywhere. I got this with the chip at the same time for $19.95 at like Circuit City. Okay, and you just push the chip in there, and now the chip is a USB device. And what I'm going to do is plug that into this device that I have plugged into the USB in the back of the computer, and now I will be able to read the chip. Okay, so I'm going to plug this in back here. I'm reaching around and I'm plugging it in, and there we go. Now it's plugged in. And when that is plugged in, it comes up, as you see here, where it says no name. I'm going to open the no name, which is the chip, and you will see right here there is the DCIM, digital camera images, and I'm going to open the 135 Canon right here. And this has all of the pictures I took of our trip to New York City. And so these are all the images. And what I'm going to do is I am going to right click or control click out here, and I'm going to say give me a new folder. And I'm going to call this new folder NYC-Pics, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to select this folder, and I'm going to say all, Command all. I hit the Command key and the A key, and I'm going to drag all of these pictures into the NYC Pics. And you can see it copied all those in just a few seconds. Later, I could take all of these and move them to the trash, and that would clear the chip for future use with the camera. And now I'm going to close that folder and open the NYC Pics folder, and I'm going to grab one of these pics, and I'm going to drag it over the Photoshop icon here, and watch what happens. This is just like magic. And there are 2 of my sons